Welcome to Redline Review. The 2025 Citroën Motorhome is a stylish and affordable option for vacationers who value comfort, functionality, and European style. Citroën, known for efficiency and innovation, introduces a compact, modern, and user-friendly camper for families, digital nomads, and weekend travelers. Outside design, the 2025 Citroën Motorhome features a sleek aerodynamic body and a distinctive front fascia. This motorhome is based on the latest Citroën jumper or relay chassis, depending on the region. That includes LED headlights and running lights, power folding side mirrors and a rear-view camera, dual-tone paint with side moldings, pop-up roof or coach-built structure for more capacity. The design's tiny yet capacious form makes transportation easy in cramped European streets. The inside is comfortable. Its modest stature belies its vast and well-organized interior. A fold-out table, panoramic skylight, LED ambient lighting, and luxury fabric or faux leather upholstery make the living area versatile. Kitchenette, stainless steel sink, overhead storage, refrigerator-freezer combo, and 2-burner gas stove. Sleeping area, fold-down beds, bunk beds, or double beds are available depending on configuration. Memory foam mattresses are standard on higher trim levels. Bathroom, small wet bath with ventilation fan, shower, and cassette toilet. Some variants have a separate shower cubicle. The Citroën's interior prioritizes space management with many compartments and flexible architecture. Features and tech infotainment, 10-inch touchscreen with navigation, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and back camera. Air conditioning, roof fans, blackout curtains with bug screens, and diesel or electric heaters provide comfort. Bluetooth-paired smartphone app. Smart control controls lighting, temperature, and battery life. Engineering and performance. The 2025 Citroën Motorhome's 2.2-liter Blue HDI turbo diesel engine delivers 180 horsepower and enough torque. An optional 8-speed automatic or 6-speed manual, gearbox lightweight structure, and front-wheel drive improve fuel efficiency. Cruise control, lane departure warning, and hill start assist add security on long excursions. While the suspension is adjustable for comfort, the ability to last. In some regions, Citroën offers the e-Relay camper van as an electric option. Quick charging, 80% in 45 minutes. 250 kilometers, 155 miles range per charge. Ideal for eco-conscious tourists, shorter routes. Pricing and trimming. Fully equipped 2025 Citroën Motorhomes can cost over 80,000 euros, depending on configuration and options such as solar panels, lithium batteries, and roof-mounted air conditioners. The standard model costs 58,000 euros, approximately 63,000 US dollars. Verdict: the 2025 Citroën Motorhome combines affordability, comfort, and smart design. Not a palace on wheels, but it doesn't pretend to be. Instead, it offers what most travelers need: a reliable, comfortable, and efficient mobile home with French flair. Excellent for solo travelers, small families, and couples seeking bargain.